But nobody died, so we're okay.
Thank y'all so much for coming out and being a part of Topless Day. This is the first time we've had it that it actually rained on us, but I don't think it was this bad. Honest, I think a lot of people missed out. We had a lot of folks telling us they weren't going to come because it was going to rain. I said, man, you drive a Jeep? Really? So y'all hardcore. Y'all real hardcore Jeepers. Just to let you know, everybody's a hardcore Jeep if you showed up today.
It sure is raining out there. Oh, wait a second. It's raining everywhere.
The blind drive. All right. I'm going to announce the winner of the blind drive.
All right, winner of the blind driver.
All right, the last three on the ticket are 248. 248. Come get your flag.
I got 241.
321. 321.
Get your picture. That was 239. We were already.
Is that your husband? Close enough.
You do me the honor of marrying me. You're the best thing.
Topless Day is over. We still got quite a few here, but a lot of people have been rolling out for about the past hour. We do Jeep Day at the fair. They have the fairground set up. Actually, right here where we're standing at, we're on the fairgrounds. And we do our stuff over there. So yeah, you come out here to Griffin, come see the fair, and you come over here and see Jeep Show and Tom at the same time. Gonna get some more action out there in the mud pit. Shotty. Oh, let's see what we got here. I need to go throw my stuff in the bag. Hey, look, people left some ducks. Get my hoodie out because it is raining. It's gonna be pretty chilly when you're rolling with rain falling on you. Topless Day has come to an end. We are leaving the fairgrounds in Griffin. Doors are off. As you can see, top is not off. But we're leaving the fairgrounds. We are going home. Been fun. Really became more doorless day than topless day. Yeah, but it was still a good time. We had a lot of people show up despite the rain. A lot of people got to ride the obstacle course. I did not get to fly my drone. They gave us permission to, but I think they didn't. We had to have a code to unlock the drone so I could fly it in a locked area, and just it didn't work out. I had some scheduling conflicts with softball this week, so that kind of led to some confusion. I didn't know till today I was going to be here today. So we didn't get to fly the drone, more or less. So hopefully in fall we'll get to have a little better planning on this, and softball schedule won't be so hectic. And then I can actually bring out here and fly the drone over the fairgrounds that day. The reason why I can't fly over the fairgrounds, we're next to an airport. The airport gave us permission to fly the drone, but it didn't work. So I couldn't unlock on the DJI side. I could not unlock my drone, even though I had permission from the airport to do it. So anyway, it's all right. We'll figure that out next year. I'll have more planning, more time to prepare for it. I didn't even know that's a possibility to do that. I've never thought about it before. But I'll go through the process of what it takes to make sure I cover all the bases next year on the getting the drone unlocked. Otherwise, that's it. It's gonna be a week of Jeeps and an 1870 off-road video. G-Speed Jeeping, that's all I got. We'll see y'all on the next ride. Calling this Topless Day in the rain. A lot of water coming out over there.